believe that it's already day 25, make sure you go back and take a look at the rest of the days you might have missed and subscribe and like so that we can see the rest and you don't miss any more. And now I want to talk about pairing with yesterday. Yesterday we talked about things you should know in pregnancy. Today we're going to talk about things you should know postpartum. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by your recovery. I don't want you to feel overwhelmed by postpartum. So these tips are super simple, totally doable, and super helpful. The postpartum period is a major transition, and there's a lot of old school advice out there that just doesn't hold up to the science of recovery anymore. So here are the 7 things that I want you to understand today. Okay, 1, daily life is a workout. Every time you pick up the baby or get out of bed, you're training. Learning how to move and use your 360 breathing during those activities of daily living, ADLs, is how you actually heal. Excuse me. 2, leaking isn't permanent. We talked about this one yesterday. I'll say it again for the people in the back. It might be common, but it is a sign the pressure is off and we're not quite engaging our core the way we need to. And it's totally possible to fix it months or years down the road. 3, my least favorite thing, the 6-week checkup. It's a total myth. You don't have to wait for clearance to start healing. Gentle breath work and core connection can and should be done much earlier, including simple things like standing while you hold a baby. You do that every day. Why do we have to wait for 6 weeks, right? 4, monitor your diastases. You can keep an eye on coning or doming during your daily tasks to ensure you aren't making that diastasis any worse. Roll over on your side, push up with your hands, use that exhale to support your core. 5, healing requires fuel. Hydration and nutrition aren't about losing weight. They are the literal building blocks for your tissues that in order to repair and heal and to keep your baby healthy and happy, okay? 6, it is absolutely okay to ask for help, whether it's with the baby so you can nap or with your recovery. You are not meant to do this alone. That's why they say it takes a village. And finally, number 7, again, we talked about this yesterday as well. There are pros out there who can help, from pelvic floor PT to specialists like myself. There's a whole community of moms and women and other people ready to help support your return to exercise. Okay, you are a postpartum athlete. Motherhood is a sport and you deserve an athlete's recovery. So if you're ready to start moving with intention and gentleness, grab my pelvic floor essentials guide at the link below, and I'll see you tomorrow for day 26.